So I have the A7S out here tonight, and hopefully, yeah, I know. Hopefully, like everything will be brighter because it's a low light camera. So we're gonna see like the difference tonight.
It feels like heaven on earth. Like it's softer than. Oh, look, Hunter's here.
I'm trying to I need to start like vlogging because I've been here for a while. Oh,
bro.
Wait, hold on.
Bro, that's so dope.
Ready? Wait, feel this. It's not, oh wait, no, this isn't the one. Fuck, we're just gonna rip everything out here.
God damn it.
Oh, I didn't bring it. It's soft as so.
Oh, I have a softer one. I just haven't opened it yet.
Oh, I just gotta jam everything back in there. Dude, it's softer. Like, I'm not even. All right, guys, so tonight we're at Tilt to Kill, and Brett's annoying me right now. Oh, wait, no. Let me see that. Who took that picture?
I saw it.
What? Hello, Sean. All right, guys. So I guess we're gonna start walking around now because we haven't really seen anything other than that. We have the stock S550 here. I wasn't videotaping you. Yes, I'm vlogging. Hello.
Hi.
Hello,
what's everyone. Up, guy?
Well, I totally forgot what I was gonna do now. God, every time someone talks to me.
He acted like Will Canners.
He's like, yeah, bro, I made him fit, bro.
No, you did.
No, you did not. This is not making them fit.
They drive, bro. This is my car. Didn't really want them to fit, but it was like, fuck. You have to. I have to.
Not even a Brett's face.
Can you just hit it with the hammer for the video?
Vlog, yeah.
Come on, for the vlog.
Drag your dick on it for the vlog.
All right, I'll pull it up on my.
We got paint from I'm Not Lowe's car.
Wait, here, you ready?
Overlit. Stance is like.
The fronts fit just fine.
Don't they? The fronts fit just fine. That's the thing.
All right, so after that has happened, I was saying, this is Brett's Mustang, and I was gonna show him the lights. Would you like to? He has a carbon fiber trunk, carbon fiber hood.
Don't get my official. Have a clean culture C on it.
You
actual clean culture C. Do I have to change them for you?
You don't have to, because mine's red.
He's not up to it.
That's a lot of colors.
There's 300 different settings.
Holy shit.
200, sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Top lights.
Oh my god, it's so illegal. Oh, hey, Robert.
You fucking hear this?
Yes, I do. Wait, don't hit me. No, he shut it off. Robert! 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 Hi. Hi, Robert. Hi, Gabby.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey.
How are you guys?
What's Gucci with you?
What's up? Well, I wanted to get that Volkswagen shooting some loud pops, but that didn't work.
Okay. Yeah, you're gonna have to edit that out.
Yeah.
I don't think your face wants to be famous.
I'll throw your ass out. This guy punched me in the face at Rockin' Angels.
I'll get a second phone and y'all can help me out for being that fucking
I don't
fast.
even know what he was saying. I don't know if I know I got him. I'm like kind of cold right now. It's like 50 degrees here, but
It's like 65. It's
No.
not even snowing yet.
it's not. Yeah, I mean it's 50 degrees, but
Floridians think it's cold.
yeah. Our car says warmth right now. Well, that's why we're not walking around, because we need warmth. Glad you can make it. Thanks for coming up. Yeah. Johnny just got here. That's Johnny.
That's me. Yeah, I'm a little homeless boy right now.
Wait, what?
I don't really like.
Do you need
Good
mine?
time. What? Sean? Look at Sean.
He's taking in some beautiful coffees.
Oh my god. There's a twin turbo Huracan right there. Has no bumper on the back.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
Because sometimes people just walk up and not really.
I'm always recording.
You know what
There's never a time I'm not recording.
I mean? All right, that's fine. That's fine.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Guys, so they're setting up for like the red battle right now. That Volkswagen that was popping crazy is right here, so I'm sure we're gonna get some crazy. Oh, is it twin turbo in it too? All right, if this twin turbo Lambo's in it too, that'd be sick. Looks like it's starting. Misfires. That is bad. Not everyone could come out tonight and make some loud noises in the parking lot. It's very nice.
You don't even get famous for it either.
We just take a look at this FRS really quickly. It needs some bigger rims. For sure.
It needs to air the fuck out.
No, because it needs to like fill here and like fill there.
That's what it needs. You need to get
This is static
right
here?
This right here.
Like this is what
Exactly.
what
like
you need.
This right here, this is tighter than a nun. Like you can't.
It for warmth.
That's all it is. We're stealing it for the heat.
It feels so good. Bro, Velocir's back here. That one's kind of clean. I think it's on bags. It's so nice. You're out? Why?
Why not?
You should get that checked out. I'm not sure how much longer I'm staying. I'm pretty cold. Other than that, I'm going away Saturday for a week. And I will not be, I'm gonna be like Ghost kind of, just because I won't have like any internet and stuff. So I'm gonna post this video. I think I have another video also. I know for a fact I have one. I don't know if I have two or not, but I will post 2 YouTube videos next week. So, oh yeah, there's a Supra here. Think about it. He's gonna bring it right here. So many people you could take out.
Are you leaving?
Yeah, I gotta keep trash control on though. That's the only way you can take them out.
Bro, he's in clean culture.
Yeah, clean culture official, bro.
Are you actually?
No.
No, I didn't
Stole that off of the culture car.
Alright, see you, man. But I'm heading out. That's gonna be it for tonight. And get out of here. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.